In this video, we are going to see how we can add or remove the follow button on the Facebook page so that the followers can read through your post, go through your feed, and basically see your reels. They're not actually friends, they are the followers. And that is usually for the public figures or the public pages. So what you can do is just head over to the top right hand corner where you see this profile icon of yours. Click on that and click on the settings and privacy and click on settings. Now on the left hand side, we can see the audience and visibility section. From here, you get this followers and public content option. Click on that. And what you can do is if you want to add a follow button to your profile, you can click on who can follow me, let's say friends, or if you want it public, it's not there actually. So but this says turn viewers into followers. Update your profile, you click on that and click on turn on. Basically this is a professional mode where you get paid for your content, grow your audience, and all the other useful stuff. Click on turn on, click on next, and choose a default audience, let's say public, and click on confirm. Default audience updated. Click on done, next, and skip. Go to the professional dashboard, and here you are. Let's switch to your profile, and this is how the profile looks like. We click on the three dots and click on view as public audience, and now you can see that we have a follow button on the Facebook page, and that is how it is done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.